Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can add Bitcoin to Metamask. So let's get started. So here we are in Binance.com, but if you want you can use other platform as you wish. But for me I'll be using Binance. And what we're gonna do now is go here in wallet and go fiat and spot. And in here we want to send Bitcoin into Metamask right here. So what we want to do is add the token into Metamask, and we were gonna go here into coin market cap so that we can add it. And as you can see, this is a wrapped Bitcoin. This is not the main Bitcoin because Bitcoin cannot be added to Metamask because for some reason, you can check it out in the Google. It's because of Ethereum you can't add Bitcoin into Metamask, but now we have an alternative, which is a wrapped Bitcoin. You can add it, so let's just add it right here into Metamask right there, and you want to add a token right there. And after that, you will be able to see, once you have added it, you will be able to see here, and you want to click on add token, and as you can see, you have the wrapped Bitcoin right now. And now let's go close it. And here what we want to do from here is actually we want to convert our Bitcoin. So let's go click on convert right here, and you want to convert Bitcoin from, let's say, your 0.001 Bitcoin into Binance. So you have to review conversion right there. So this is the rate, this is the inverse rate, the payment method, and transaction fees. It depends on what you want right there. So you need to convert it into BNB. So sorry, I didn't change it. You need to convert to BNB right there, and you want to go 0.01 or maybe 0.5 if you want, depending on how much you want to convert. And you want to convert your Bitcoin into BNB so that you could change it into other currency here in crypto wallet. As you can see, we have the BNB right here. So as you can see, my account has insufficient balance, so I can't go through. But if you have the balance, you have to go through this and convert your Bitcoin into BNB. So once you have done that, then you can go back into the fiat and spot right here, and you can see that the BNB here is added because you have converted your Bitcoin into BNB. So the next one is you will need to withdraw BNB into your Metamask account. But before we do that, we need to make sure that our Metamask right here has the Binance Smart Chain enabled. So to do that, you need to go into chainlist.org, and you want to click here so that you could connect your Metamask right here, and you want to add Binance Smart Chain into Metamask right here by clicking on this one, and you will be able to add the Binance Smart Chain, and it would appear just like this one right here. So once you have done that, then you could go back here into Binance, and you can go click here and withdraw in BNB. And as you can see, I cannot withdraw because there is a suspension for my account because I have deactivated my Google Authenticator just a few hours ago. So but don't worry, it doesn't affect on how I am going to show you. I can still show you how you can do it. So here in select a coin, this is BNB that you will be sending into your Metamask account, and you want to send the address right here, your Metamask address right here. You want to copy this right there, and you want to paste this here in the address, and the network you want to choose the one that we have just added right here, the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And after you have done that, then you could go indicate the balance on how much BNB you need to send here in Metamask. And after that, you can see the network fee, the BNB balance, minimum withdrawal, and some other details. And after that, you just need to go through, and you just need to go click send and proceed to the process. And after a few minutes, then it should appear here in your Metamask right here. And this should not be zero, this should appear right here right away, or just in a few minutes. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.